Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today this video is going to discuss question number 6 for your mid-year exam. Okay, this question number 6 is taken from the chapter 4. Okay, chapter 4 indices, log and surd. Okay, so this questions is about the natural logs. Okay, so look at the questions. Natural logs, this is when you see ln or we pronounce as ln, ln or natural logs. Okay, actually is base e. Okay, log base e. Okay, so how are we going to solve these questions? When asked to solve, then we must get the value of x. And look at the keywords. Okay, the answer must be correct to 3 decimal places. Jawapan mesti betul kepada 3 tempat perpuluhan. Okay, logaritma jati asas e. So, we have to start to solve these questions. I copy back the question first. 2x plus 1 is equal to 4. So if you want to make it easier, you can change it to the base e. Okay, after you change to base e, easier for you to follow the like you do the law of logarithms. Okay, follow the law of logarithm. So that e, your base e, bring to the right side. Okay, remember base bring will be the base and the 4, the number will be bring up as the power. So 2x plus 1 is equal to e to the power of 4. So we want to get the value of x, right? So we need to find the value of e. So how are we going to find the value of e? So actually we can get it from the calculator. Okay, let me show you how to get from the calculator, right? Okay, the calculators from my interface or from my screen actually more or less like the ClassWiz calculator. Okay, so how to get the e? You can see here the green color, so I have to press shift for the green color, shift, okay, e will come out. Okay, sorry, this is wrong here, I have to clear first. Okay, shift, then power, e, okay, without shift there will be the ln. Okay, so we want to use the shift, this one, okay, e to the power of 4. So they give you a result or the answer which is e power 4, which is 54.598 and so on, right? So since the question asks you to give your answer correct to 3 decimal places, it's better that you take the 3 decimal places. Okay, ambil lebih tak apa, jangan ambil kurang ya. Okay, 54,598. Okay, kalau nak tambah lagi 1, 5982. You have to round off correctly. Okay, so 2x plus 1 here. Right? So what is your x? 2x is equal to 54.5982 minus 1. Tolak 1. So become 53.98. Okay, sorry. It's wrong here. 59. This is 5982. Copy back. Okay. Then after that, divided by 2. So my x when divided by 2. Okay. Can check with the calculator. Okay, so let's say I use 53.5982. Okay, divided by 2. So what I get? 26.799. Okay, give it into 3 decimal places only. So that's the answer. Okay, so how are you going to get the marks for this? For these questions is 3 marks, right? So when you know how to change to base e, okay, you can get 1 mark here. Then after that, okay, you can make it into, use the law of logarithms, another 1 mark. Then the answer lastly 1 mark. Okay, so this is for the part A, which is the natural logs. Okay, so we proceed to the part B. Same questions. This is question number 6. Same questions, but we go to part B. Part B, which is log. Okay, so how to solve the question number 1? Okay, now I can take away my calculator to make my screen bigger, right? Okay, it's better. Okay, so this one. So this given, diberi log asas A 5 sama dengan P. Ungkapkan dalam sebutan P. Meaning that you have to express the part 1 and part 2 into P. Okay, kena bagi dalam ungkapkan dalam P. So kita ambil pertama dulu, too big. Okay, number 1, log base A, okay, 25. So how are we going to do it? Then we see that log, this is log base A, but it's 5. Okay, but we see here is 25. Kita nampak nilai ni 25. So, kita nak tukar kepada 5 kan? So, 25 adalah berapa? Macam mana kita nak tukar kepada 5? Seperti mana yang cikgu sebut, kalau siapa yang guna class-based calculator tu, boleh merujuk kepada calculator anda, di mana you boleh guna fungsi FACT. Okay, ini lebih kurang sama dengan interface. So, FACT di sini. Kalau class-based pun sama lah, cari yang atas tu ada FACT. Contohnya sekarang I 25, right? 25. Okay, clear dulu. Okay, 25. Okay, tekan sama dengan plus equal sign. So, I nak tahu 25 tu 5 kuasa berapa. Tapi sangat mudah kan, sepatutnya semua dah tahu 5 kuasa 2 adalah 25. Sekiranya nombor yang sangat besar, kamu nak gunakan, nak cari dia punya kuasa tu, you boleh guna calculator. Tekan nombor tu, tekan sama dengan. Then after that, you tick the shift FACT. So, terus akan memberi jawapan 5 kuasa 2. Maknanya kamu akan tahu bahawa ini adalah log asas A 5 kuasa 2. Okey, dan kita akan gunakan hukum log di mana hukum kuasa. Okey, hukum kuasa di mana 2 akan bawa turun ke depan. Akan 2 log asas 5. Okey, log 5 asas A ya. So sekarang ni kita nampak dah. Okey, ini benda ni akan sama dengan ini kan. Dan we substitute lah. Kita ganti masuk balik. So maka akan sama dengan 2P. So that's it for part 1. Boleh ya? Okey. So, sekarang ni kita tengok pula bahagian 2. Okay, bahagian 2 tu lain sikit. Di mana soalan dia log asas 5. Diberi log asas A. So, what you can do is you have to changing base. Tukar base untuk soalan ataupun log ini. So, macam mana nak tukar base? Masih ingat lagi ke? So, kalau nak tukar base, ingat asasnya kalau log asas A untuk nilai B. Kalau nak tukar kepada asas C, log asas C B over log asas C A. Di mana yang ini asas ni tukar kepada C, ini dulu. Yang atas letak ke atas. Okay, yang bawah tu akan ambil dia punya asas ke bawah sini. So, ini adalah rumus untuk menukar base. You have to change the base. So, ini kena ingat lah. Okay, sebab semua hukum log tidak diberikan dalam senarai rumus. So, you have to memorize it. Okay, so log, this is log base 5, right? So, 1, 2, 5, 125a to the power 3. Okay, so if I want to change base, I do it like this way. Or actually, you can split it into 2 first, also can. Okay, there's many ways for you to solve it. So, let's say I want to change to base A first. So, I do it this way. Log A, 125a to the power 3. Over, okay, over log A, base A, right? Okay, so it's 5. Got it? Okay, now my log base A5, actually here I can substitute with this one, right? Okay, but I don't want to substitute here first. I will solve this part first. So this one actually is a multiplier, multiplication, multiply 125 times A to power 3. I can split it into 2. Okay, split into 2 because using the law of logarithm, hukum darab. Okay, the multiplications. Okay, so which is I can change it into log A 125 base A. Okay, multiply log base A to the power 3. So over log base A 5. Okay, or log 5 of base A. Okay, so then we know that 125. Okay, so let's say, okay, just now we're using the fact, right? So now this one also can use. Okay, so 125, sorry. Okay, 125 plus equal. Okay, then you take shift, you see the fact. So it's 5 to the power of 3. Okay, so meaning that log base A, I have to write this part as I know don't have enough space for me, okay, to show the working. As I already put the calculator there, spaces is not enough anymore. So I bring it here. So this one bring it here, bawa sini ya. So akan sama dengan log asas A 5 kuasa 3 tambah. Tambah kan, betul tak? Okay, 3 log. Okay, bukan tingkat darab. Okay, A kuasa, betul ke? A kuasa 3 log A base A. Sorry, cikgu salah tulis. Kejap. Ini base A dulu. A kuasa 3 bahagi dengan log asas A 5. So kita dah dah dekat dengan jawapan dah. Kita dah boleh mula ganti tapi belum lagi. Okay, this one I have to substitute also. Ini hukum log juga kan? Ini hukum log juga. Okay, hukum log juga. Okay. So tadi ni sini silap sikit, jangan lupa. Ini sebab darab, kita nak darab split into 2 ini sepatutnya tambah di sini, salah di sini ya. Okay, mistake. So just found it. Then this is 3 log A5 plus ni, oops, ini pun ada kesilapan di mana ada 3 hukum kuasa 3 dapat turunkan. So tak ada 3 dah. Okay. So log A base A adalah bersamaan dengan 1. This is equal to 1. This thing. This is equal to 1. Okay. And this one will bring down. Okay. So this is what? This is P, right? So plus 1. So you can substitute everything in already. But okay, if cannot, then never mind. We can do it slowly. Okay. So I just still do it. This one divided. Okay, by this one is P, and this is 3. How to get the 3? Because a log A is equal to 1, right? So 3 times 1 is 3. Then 3 log base A5 is P. So it's actually is 3P plus 3 over P. Okay, so you can leave your answer in this way. Okay, or you can split it into 2. Okay, if you split it into 2 means that you're not into the single fractions. You can mean that 3P over P plus 3 over P, right? Okay. Okay, so you can get the answer which is equal to 3 plus 3 over P. So it is correct. This is correct. Okay. It is considered equivalent. Okay. Either you are in single fractions or you write it into both. Okay. And the 2 means a plus. Use operation to split it into 2. Okay, not in the single fractions. Okay, so both also correct. Okay, so how to get the 4 marks for these questions? Okay, so I show you. So please check with your answer sheet. Okay, so the 1 marks, okay, I will give you when you know how to change base. Tukar base sudah tahu, akan dapat 1 markah. Guna hukum log lagi dapat 1 markah di sini lagi. Here we have just now is just now forgot about the Part 1. Part 1 2 markah. Part 2 adalah 3 markah. This is 2 mark. 2 markah untuk ni 3 markah. So ni jawapan akhir. The answer is 1 mark. Okay. When you know how to use the any of the law of logarithm, you entitled get 1 mark. Okay. Sekiranya jawapan anda salah, tapi kamu masih lagi dapat markah. Kenapa cikgu bagi markah? Sekiranya cikgu nampak kamu boleh tahu menggunakan tukar base, boleh dapat 1, ataupun di sini kamu boleh tahu anak murid boleh tukarkan 3 log asas A5. Okey, boleh guna ataupun ini boleh jadikan 2. Okey, daripada hukum darab boleh juga dapat 1 markah. Mana-mana hukum log, tahu menggunakan mana-mana hukum log, boleh bagi 1 markah. Langkah kerja sekiranya jawapan tu salah lah. Okey, so tu jumlahnya adalah 5 markah. So cikgu dah tunjuk cara untuk menggunakan kalkulator, tetapi untuk yang ini hanya kelas WIS sahaja boleh membantu untuk dapatkan yang kuasa tu. Kalau yang 570 ms tu, you have to try and error. Maknanya kalau kamu nak tukar kepada base 5, so kamu kena cuba cahaya 5 kuasa 1, 5 kuasa 2, 5 kuasa 3, sehinggalah dapat nombor yang kamu nak. Kalau tak dapat tu, maknanya dia tak boleh tukar kepada base kuasa 5, base 5 lah. Tak boleh dia diubah kepada base yang kamu nak tu. Okay, so itu saja untuk video ini. Nanti kita jumpa lagi untuk video bagi soalan yang seterusnya. Okay, thank you. Bye.